Welcome back to our channel Agla Same Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 6, that is triangles. So starting with the rest of the questions of our exercise 6.5, our 10th question says a guy wire attached to be a vertical pole of a height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should be driven so that wire will be towed? So here we have to let OB is the vertical pole in the figure, and in triangle AOB we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. So we have formula, that is AB square is equals to OB square plus OA square. Placing the value of AB square, that is 24 square, OB square, that is 18 square, OA square, that is we have to find. So from this we will get OA square as 252. So OA will be 6 root 7 meter. Moving to question number 11, which says an aeroplane leaves on airport and flies due to north at the speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at the speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? So here the distance travelled by first aeroplane is 1.5 hours. That is 1000 into 3/2, which will give you 1500 km. And the distance travelled by the second aeroplane, that is 1.5 hours, that is equals to 1200 into 3/2, which will give you 1800. So now AO and OB are the distance travelled. Therefore AB is equal to root AO square plus OB square. Solving further, we will get root 1500 whole square plus 1800 whole square, which will give you root 225,000 plus 324,000. Solving this, we will get 300 root 61 km. Hence, 1.5 hour, the distance between two planes is 300 root 61 km. Question number 12 says, two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stands on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of the pole is 12 meter, find the distance between tops. So here we have to let AB and CD are two poles with a height 6 meter and 11 meter. And CP is equal to 11 minus 6, which will give you 5. Therefore AP we have 12 meter. Solving further, we have a triangle, that is APC. And in this triangle we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. That is AP square plus PC square is equals to AC square. Now applying the value of AP, that is 12, PC, that is 5, and AC we have to find. Therefore 12 square plus 5 square is equals to AC square. Solving this, we will get AC square as 169. It means we have AC 13 meter. So the distance between the top of the two poles is 13 meter. Question number 13 says, D and E are the points on the side CA and CB of a triangle ABC right angle at C. We have to prove that AE square plus BD square is equals to AB square plus DE square. So again we have to take a triangle, that is ACE, and in this we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square plus CE square is equals to AE square. And in triangle BCD, again we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, that is BC square plus CD square is equals to DB square. And from these two equations we have AC square plus CE square plus BC square plus CD square is equals to AE square plus DB square. That is the third equation. So now in triangle CDE, again applying Pythagoras theorem, we have DE square is equals to CD square plus CE square. That is our fourth equation. And in triangle ABC, again we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equals to AC square plus CB square. That is our fifth equation. From these equations, that is 3, 4 and 5, we have DE square plus AB square is equals to AE square plus BD square. Question number 14 says, a perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB is equal to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. Again we have to take a triangle, that is ACD, and we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. that is AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. AC square minus CD square is equals to AD square. That is the first equation. And in triangle ABD, again applying Pythagoras theorem, we will have AB square is equals to AD square plus BD square. It will give you another equation, that is AB square minus BD square is equals to AD square. Now solving further from these two equations, we have AC square minus CD square is equals to AB square minus BD square. That will be a third equation. And given is that 3DC is equals to BD. So now DC is equals to BC upon 4 and BD is equal to 3BC upon 4. So from these two equations, we have AC square minus BC upon 4 whole square is equals to AB square minus 3BC upon 4 whole square. Further solving it, we will have 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. Moving to question number 15, which says in an equilateral triangle ABC, D is the midpoint on side BC such that BD is equals to 1/3 of BC. We have to prove that 9AD square is equals to 7AB square. So we know that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle with each side. So we have to draw altitude AE from A to BC. So we know that the altitude in equilateral triangle bisect the opposite sides. That is BE is equals to EC is equals to A upon 2. So in triangle AEB, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. So AB, that is A square, is equals to AD square plus A upon 2 whole square. Solving this, we will get AD as root 3A upon 2. Further solving it, we have BD is equal to 1/3 of BC and BD is equal to A upon 3. So DE is equal to BE minus BD. So BE we have A upon 2 and BD we have A upon 3. Solving this, we will get DE as A upon 6. So in triangle ADE, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. AD square is equals to AE square plus DE square. So AD square is equals to A root 3 upon 2 whole square plus A upon 6 whole square. Solving this, we will have 9AD square is equals to 7AB square. Moving to our last question of this exercise, that is question number 16, which says in an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So here, let the triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle with side A. Altitude AE is drawn from A to BC. That is this. So BE is equal to EC is equals to BC upon 2 is equals to A upon 2. So in triangle ABE, we have to apply Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equals to AE square plus BE square. So A square is equals to AE square plus A upon 2 whole square is equals to AE square plus A square upon 4. So AE square is equals to A square minus A square upon 4 is equals to 3A square divided by 4. So now 4AE square is equals to 3A square. That is altitude is equals to 3 into sides. Moving to our question number 17, which says take the correct answer and justify in triangle ABC. AB is equals to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC is equal to 12 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. The angle B is 120, 60, 90 or 45. It means we have to find B angle. So the answer is given is AB, that is equals to 6 root 3 centimeter, AC that is 12 centimeter, BC that is 6 centimeter and AB square that is 108, AC square that is 144, BC square that is 36. So now AB square plus BC square that is 108 plus 36, which will give you 144. That is our AC square. The sides are satisfying the Pythagoras triplet of triangle ABC. It means angle B is 90. Hence the option C is correct. So guys, this is all from this exercise. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question discussed, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Agla Same Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.